the last 25 years, Vince Jo-Nes has been conducting his recycling technology workshops for school and university students. The idea is to help young minds connect the dots between art, science, and technology, highlighting the possibilities we have to use obsolete technological objects in new ways, stimulating the imagination and creating an understanding that science can be creative and art can be technical.
When you take the physical parts that they're going to be working with and they're actually touching and feeling it, then you can explain the principles and it just triggers. And all of a sudden it just picks up and they start learning. It's called kid driven. Hand on, mind on. With your minds and hands working together.
In association with Brent Council's Museum Arts and Promotion Services, Vince is seen here with students from Wembley High School. He is introducing a group of Year 9 students to the concepts they will be delving into over the next 10-week workshop.
Radios, TVs, VCRs, you may have some old things at home. Don't take your mom, your dad's television apart at home. But here in the art department, we're going to have some things we're going to give you. When you take them apart, you're going to find LEDs. You're going to find some of these small motors. Those you'll be able to take home and experiment with or incorporate into your project. Okay? You're going to be using those. Because, you know, when you were in class, when I was in class, if you just sat and read a book, for me it was dull and boring. But as soon as I got to, like, science lab and started taking things apart or working with the chemistry sets or the physics, it was fun.
The art of recycling technology is at the heart of Vince's curriculum. His catchphrase, "Junk is a terrible thing to waste," is brought to life by the students creating pieces of art that use bits of broken technology that still work. This shows students that contained within these now old, broken down objects are pieces that still have a value. They are also encouraged to learn about the science that makes these electronic and mechanical devices work in the first place.
Like this camera, if we were to take it apart, there's little pieces inside of it that we could make into a battery. There's wires, there's blinking LED, the lenses can be used. And so, these very little things we'll have to buy.
Making sculptures and things. Alright, now you learn how to work, you put them in your sculptures. Alright, now let's make sure all your trained resources, okay?
But as an engineer, it's just a little more sophisticated. Then you add art to it, because art is science. That's why we say bridging the gap between art and science, because art indeed allows the right brain, the visual, to think, okay, if I could make this, what might it look like? That's a shape, okay, or the form. And then the left brain, the analytical thinking, allows us to figure out how, what's driven on the board there. That's the analytical, that's the left brain. Figuring out how it looks.